Replay authorization gives you fine control over who can replay customer communications. Through a highly efficient workflow, it provides a secure and traceable way for managers to approve and decline replay requests from users. Replay authorization allows for two main roles, requester and authorizer. When a requester attempts to play back a recorded communication, such as a voice call, the playback is limited to a defined preview. This allows the requester to identify the correct call, but still limits access to the full playback. So, our requester now enters a reason for the replay request, and this is sent to the authorizer. The authorizer can view all replay requests from the replay notifications, or by selecting replay requests from the main Quantify menu. The authorizer can now authorize replay for a limited time, or reject the request with a reason. The authorizer can also check the requested call by playing it directly from the request list. So let's go back to the requester. Similar to the authorizer, the requester can check the status of their replay requests by selecting the notifications, or selecting replay requests from the main Quantify menu. Here you can see that the request was rejected, and also see previous requests that have been authorized. Configuring replay authorization is also a simple process for an administrator. Simply create groups, set users, and set authorizers. One feature to note here is the authorization required tick box in the group settings. If the box is ticked, an authorizer must specifically authorize or reject every replay request. If the box is unticked, then all requests are automatically authorized. This can be useful where you want to allow full replay access for users in a group, but you still want to have all replay requests logged and recorded for future reference. So that's replay authorization at a glance. Check out the other e-learning videos from Redbox for more information on replay authorization and our other products.